Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download S3 lifecycle rules for cost control on backups. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin with, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the S3 service by selecting it from the Services menu. Locate the bucket for which you want to download lifecycle rules. Click on the bucket name to open its settings. In the bucket settings, find and click on the Management tab. Scroll down to the Lifecycle Rules section. Here, you will see a list of existing lifecycle rules, if any are set. To download the lifecycle rules, you need to create a JSON file. Click on the Create Lifecycle Rule button if you haven't set any rules yet. Provide a name for your lifecycle rule. Set the desired configuration options based on your backup needs. Ensure to select the actions for transitioning or expiring objects as needed. Once done, review the rule settings to ensure everything is correct. Now, before saving, click on Export or Download if an option appears. If there's no direct download option, you may need to manually create a JSON file. Use a text editor to write down the lifecycle configuration in JSON format. Make sure to follow the AWS JSON structure for lifecycle policies. Once your JSON file is prepared, save it on your computer. This file can now be used for auditing or applying to other buckets. You've successfully downloaded your S3 lifecycle rules for cost control on backups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.